Holy cow, what a week in the stock market, what a week in Tesla. And also the week is also finishing up with crypto gains as well. So I want to update you guys on why Tesla stock is going up. And also I want to do a quick Robinhood portfolio update. I am actually up near 20% in just 3 months. It's insane. So I'm trying to think, should I take some profits off the table or should I stay course? Feel free to give me guys your suggestions in the comments below. But first, let's go over why is Tesla stock going up so crazy? Now guys, just so you know, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. I have this YouTube channel here where I share my investing journey for my own kind of personal vlog and entertainment value to those people who watch. So with that said, let's get into it. Now, if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know I've been an avid Tesla bull, especially as the stock was in the low 200s. But the stock really caught my interest when it fell all the way down to $177 a share, and I was closing on a property. I buy real estate as well, and I couldn't buy it. So as soon as I knew how much money I was putting down on my house, I went out and bought Tesla stock, and I first bought it at about $260 a share right before the Q3 earnings, and I chased it all the way down to about $210 with a dollar cost average price of $230. As I'm recording this, each share is now worth $328, so I'm up about $100 per share in a very short time. Now, Tesla shocked Wall Street by reporting profits in quarter 3. Everyone was actually expecting them to lose money again this quarter. I believe their earnings per share were about $1.46 when they were estimated to lose about 46 cents a share. In my opinion, Wall Street's been playing what I call a whack-a-mole game with Tesla. No matter what Tesla does, good news, they always point to, well, they're not doing this, they're not making enough profit, they won't be able to sell enough cars, they won't be able to produce the car profitably. Well, the cars are too expensive, no one wants to buy them. And every quarter they're selling, delivering more cars than ever before, and they grew gross profit margin to about 22% this quarter, which is huge. I just ordered the Tesla Model 3, and I gotta say it's probably one of the most advanced cars you can buy, and I'm just an average person. I was able to buy this car. So Wall Street is starting to realize, wow, people really do like this car, and it looks like Tesla can sell it profitably. It's likely their gross profit margin is gonna continue to grow. In quarter 2, it was about 18.5%, and now we're up to 22%. Battery costs keep on going down, and Tesla is able to sell software like their full self-driving that is huge on margin. So Tesla is predicting a 30% gross profit margin, and we're talking on billions and billions of dollars of revenue. So Wall Street is starting to see, wow, gross profit margin is now growing on this vehicle, so maybe they can actually produce a Model 3 at a large profit. And also this quarter, Tesla is opening up their Shanghai Gigafactory, which is going to give them a huge competitive advantage in China, which loves EV cars. It could likely become Tesla's biggest market because it's not like in the United States where only a small percentage of people drive electric cars. It's actually, I believe, around 30% of the citizens drive electric cars because they've had so much emissions issues and smog that the government is really pushing for this. So Tesla is able to forego tariffs by being able to manufacture the car in the country, and that is starting this quarter. Tesla needs to meet 105,000 cars sold and delivered this quarter. They already have a backlog of cars ordered, and they've been doing it all out of their Fremont Gigafactory. This past quarter, they sold and delivered about 97,000 cars. So they'll have a whole other Gigafactory now in China where they'll be able to start producing cars. Don't expect a full ramp, but expect more volume as they have 2 Gigafactories now. And also this quarter is likely to be a huge quarter because the federal tax credit for EVs is going away. So people like me bought the car just for that reason, because we wanted to make sure we locked in that $1,875 tax credit that if you buy the car in January, you just can't get. And also, Tesla will be unveiling their truck in the month of November too, so that's going to create a lot of shareholder excitement. And then it looks like Model Y, their mid-size SUV, which will be priced somewhere in the $40,000 range, we're not 100% sure, got moved up. It was not going to be delivered until next fall. Now they're saying to expect some deliveries to occur by the summer. And CEO Elon Musk has predicted that the Model Y will outsell the Model 3, the Model S, and the Model X combined. Simply, mid-size SUVs outsell sedans. For example, in the United States, SUVs outsell mid-size sedans by 2 to 1. So the Model Y is likely to be the best-selling car, and it's likely going to make a huge gross profit because it has a lot of crossover parts with the Model 3. The car actually uses 75% of the parts that the Model 3 uses. So expect for Tesla to have economies of scale and be able to produce these cars at a more and more efficient cost. And if this company can reach 30% gross profit, they will begin returning quarter after quarter profits with growing volume, and the whack-a-moles, the short sellers, are going to run out of reasons to go against the Tesla story because the fundamentals will be in line with the story that we've been told. So in just a very short week, my portfolio went from about 11,700 all the way up to 14,500 thanks to the help of Tesla, and also we're seeing the cryptocurrency market have a spike. So to be up so much in a short time, it does make me think, is the proper thing to do to take some profits off the table and wait for better opportunities? And also there's some stocks that are probably a better evaluation, but I believe in my heart of hearts that things like Tesla and cryptocurrency have a lot more to grow. I still think they're still somewhat reasonably priced, but they will likely have a volatile trip up to where I see them going. I think Tesla could grow 5-10 times from this size as well as they grow their gross volume. And I didn't even really talk about level 5 autonomy, which could be a huge game changer, but I'll leave that for another video. But thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this content, please make sure to subscribe. If you like content about Tesla, I make at least a video or two a month about Tesla, which I'll probably be making more when I accept the Model 3, which I expect to get sometime in November. I bought the car and the guy told me 2 to 6 weeks. It's not like you buy a car and you go to the car dealership and you pick it up and bring it home. You put down a deposit, they match you with a VIN number, and they contact you when the car is ready for pickup. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It greatly helps this video reach a broader audience. And thank you so much as always for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.